Assalamualaikum, hi everyone. We are excited to introduce our project ZIVA, which stands for Zen Intervention for Vulnerable Autism. This project is a part of Microsoft APAC AI for Accessibility Hackathon 2024. Our lecturer and guide for this project is Dr. Shafatunur Hassan. Our team consists of myself, which is Muhammad Muaz bin Jamain, Harun Idul Firdaus bin Harun Hisam, Muhammad Rizwan bin Baka, Muhammad Adi Wafi bin Muhammad Jais, and finally Muhammad Nasrul Hakimi bin Zamzam.
Now, we're moving on to the introduction. Autism spectrum disorder, or ASD, is a complex disorder affecting social communication and behavior. Children with autism often experience emotional distress leading to meltdown. Imagine yourself, just by hearing noise, you get stressed. So, this project is ZIVA. Zen, in this project, represent the calm state necessary for these children, and this project aims to recognize and manage this distress in real time. Now, we're going to dive into the objective. We use SDLC approach to identify the objective. So, the first objective is identify emotional distress in autistic children using technology such as facial recognition, body language, and much more. Then, we're going to compare design and algorithm for emotional recognition, design a project that's suitable for emotional recognition, and lastly, we're going to evaluate model performance based on its recall, accuracy, and precision. We need problem to have solution. So for this project problem statement, we have children with autism struggle to control, struggle to show their emotion, causing frequent meltdown. And because of this meltdown, it's going to become a problem to their teachers, to their guardian, and to their caretakers. Not only that, current methods are limited in recognizing and managing emotional distress, as well as lack of integrated. Imagine, there are a lot of systems and methods that can decipher physical data, that can decipher emotional recognition and everything, but when it comes to combining this technique into a single unified system, there is none. So, ZIVA aims to tackle this issue. Now, we will get into the main features of this project. The first one is real-time emotion recognition. It's going to utilize advanced algorithm to analyze facial expression and psychological data. Then we have the second one is intervention mechanism. It's going to alert the caretaker, educator, or the guardian if the children going to become distressed. Then we have integrated monitoring. We're going to use CCTV in the home and school for comprehensive observation, or we're going to equip children with wearables such as smartwatch or sensor for real-time data collection. Lastly, we have advanced technology such as deep learning. We're going to use CNN and LSTM in this project. Now we are on methodology of this project. All of this happen one by one. So the first one is data collection. We're going to gather our facial expression, psychological signal, and behavior data using smartwatch and camera. Next, data pre-processing. We're going to cleaning, extracting relevant features, and standardize the collected data. Then model development using CNN, convolutional neural network, and long short-term memories network to analyze the data. Then real-time implementation, where we're going to integrate the trained model into a real-time system for continuous monitoring and intervention. Then we're going to evaluate the system based on its accuracy, precision, and recall. Lastly, ethical consideration such as we're not going to use the data for personal use. Ensure ethical standards are met. About model development, we all know we're going to use deep learning, but the expected deep learning we're going to use are CNN for facial expression analysis and LSTM for psychological data analysis. Now we're going to talk about review the model, how we get the money. When people use the system, it's going to integrate with the CCTV and with the smartwatch. So with this, they're going to have the basic version of this system. And with freemium model, they're going to be premium version of this system. So they're going to have additional features such as in-depth report and example of intervention that they can do to the children. And then we have subscription plan. For example, 1 month people need to pay 30 ringgit, but for 12 months they are going to pay 300 ringgit. So there is 16 ringgit different. So people are going to prefer to buy 1 year subscription because it's much more cheaper. Then we have partnership, where we're going to forming strategic partnership with educational institute, healthcare provider, and autism support organization, which is going to help us in co-developing and promoting ZIVA. Lastly, we have grant funding, where we're going to seek grant or funding from various sources. This include applying for government initiative and as well as to crowdfunding to support our system. To conclude the presentation, the ZIVA Zen Intervention for Vulnerable Autism project represents a groundbreaking approach to solve the emotional challenges faced by children with autism. I hope that this project going to improve the life of autism people and make them to live a better life. So that's all from me. Thank you for watching.